We are dealing with cloudy skies once again, but temperatures are at the freezing mark, 32 degrees, and you can think those winds coming out of the north-northwest at 13 miles per hour, humidity at 86%. Looking at temperatures throughout the Upper Peninsula are noticeably cooler than they've been the last couple of days. We've been dealing with some snow in parts of the western UP, temperatures at 30 degrees in Ontonagon and Ironwood. As we look a little bit more towards the east, 36 in Iron Mountain, 38 in Escanaba, and into the low 40s towards the eastern tip of the UP. As we look at those winds, that northwesterly flow is continuing between 10 to 15 miles per hour, 15 in Iron Mountain, 13 in Marquette, 14 in Munising, and a little bit lighter in Ironwood at 8 miles per hour. But when we factor in those winds and those temperatures, you get the wind chill, what it actually feels like outside. And in parts of the UP, it's already feeling like in those low to mid 20s, 22 in Marquette, what it feels like at this time, 24 in Ironwood, 27 in Iron Mountain, a little bit more closer to normal as we go further towards the east at 37 at Sault Ste. Marie. As we look at the temperatures downstate, though, pretty much in those 30s as what it's feeling like. But looking at what's ahead going into the weekend, we're still going to be dealing with those rain snow showers for tonight going into tomorrow, but conditions are going to begin to improve as we go into the weekend. By the time we go into next week, though, there are still timing issues of when this system will exactly come in on Tuesday and how strong will it be, as we will bring rain, snow, and even just full snow by the time we go towards the second half of next week. Water vapor throughout the week, we saw a lot of greens earlier in the week. We're still dealing with a little bit of lingering moisture into parts of the northern Midwest, but a lot of its energy is starting to die down as the original system is now into parts of the eastern seaboard. For the satellite and radar, we do have a couple of showers into parts of western lower Michigan. Some of it is also lake effect induced. As we look closer towards us, just a lot of clouds throughout the afternoon of your Thursday, but there has been some light snow throughout portions of the western UP. Going into today, though, high pressure is in control in parts of the western plains. We are dealing with some cooler temperatures, mixed precipitation for parts of the Upper Peninsula and the northern lower peninsula, and that will also be the continuing trend as we go into tonight. Further towards the south, we'll be dealing with mostly rain. For your Friday, about the same conditions. Another low pressure now situated in parts of eastern Canada. We'll still be dealing with those cool showers all throughout the region, from New York State all the way into Michigan. And for us, we're still dealing with the last of those rain-snow mix with some snow showers in parts of the eastern UP before conditions really begin to take more of a nicer look as we go into your Saturday. Going into your FUTURECAST as we go into the weekend, accumulations, especially in the western UP, could add up to an extra 1 to 2 inches of snow by the time we go into tonight, into tomorrow. By the time we go into your Friday, just very scattered rain, snow showers, but the winds will be picking up throughout the night, tonight into tomorrow. We could have wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour, so it is going to be a blustery one. And by the time we go towards the weekend, especially into your Sunday, we could be dealing, especially Sunday night, we could be dealing with a little bit of some precipitation on your Sunday night before it pushes away on your Monday. For tonight, though, 29 degrees, that rain-snow mix. More snow, though, the further west you go, with the extra accumulations up to 2 inches, with those winds out of the northwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Going into your Friday, we are seeing those winds still continuing to be strong out of the northwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. So those temperatures are really going to feel more like into those 20s instead of saying 34 in Ontonagon, 36 in Crystal Falls, 35 in Houghton, and a little bit closer to 40 in Munising. And as we go into the next 7 days, we're going to improve a bit on Saturday, Sunday. We're going to reintroduce some rain chances. That will be mostly for your Sunday night. And by the time we go into the early part of the next work week, take advantage of those days because we could be dealing with a strong system on Wednesday and Thursday. But temperatures overall are going to be in the 30s for your highs, morning lows in your 20s.